Hello, and today this is going to be a short video, but today I'm going to be getting the Blizzard balloons. And also, one other thing, it's that there's something I need to show you. It's that I got one of the Pauline pipes, and from the Pauline pipe, I got a new character, which is Red Yoshi. I got Red Yoshi, and I'm sorry I didn't video it. The pipe was not shiny, so I didn't think I would get something new, but I actually did. So, what I've learned from that is that if the pipe is shiny, then that means you're gonna get something high-end, but if the pipe is not shiny, then you're going to get something that's either gold or gray. And it doesn't have to be something new. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.